Well, good morning from day 142. I'm in the hotel here at Great Barrington, Massachusetts. We were here last night, slept really well, and we've done some exploring of town yesterday afternoon and today. And I'm just going to take some of the clips from yesterday and today and sort of show you a little bit about what we found here in Great Barrington. It's a very, very pleasant little town. It's an expensive place to be, I suspect. You know, there's not fast food right here readily available, but the shops are nice. We found a place for lunch at the recommendation of a merchant that we stopped in to visit today. She said, hey, you need to go try this place. They've got a deli in the back. It's fairly inexpensive, and we got 2 Italian subs. They were like $9 each. Probably one of the best sandwiches that we've had up the trail. So very hospitable city or town, very old and historic, scenic, lots of shops and things. And we've made 2 or 3 laps down through town, back and forth to different businesses and such. So I'll show you a little bit about that today. And we're back out on the trail tomorrow. We've got our route planned forward, and we're excited to be moving again tomorrow. Well, we have made our way into Great Barrington, Vermont, Massachusetts. There's Hawkeye in front of me. Beautiful church building right here. So I'm actually filming this on the day we got into town, but I'm probably going to use this as my video for the 0 day that we're taking, because I think it's going to be rainy tomorrow. But I've already kind of come through town a little ways, and haven't found my way completely around yet, but working on it. We'll be here tomorrow and we'll have some time to explore, but it is supposed to be rainy tomorrow, so we need to get some snack foods and some drinks and such as that, and we'll kind of figure it out from there. So anyway, Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Well, here's more of Great Barrington. Not sure what this building is, but it looks rather historical. Nice church up here to the side of it. Yep. All right, beautiful church here. I don't know which one it is, but I wanted to take the picture before I got to the sign because I can't see the sign well from here. But really neat little town here. It says laundromat. I don't really believe it. And I still can't see the sign because there's a car in front, but we're headed for the Dollar General down here just to see what we can do in the way of resupply. So Roman Catholic Church, that's kind of what my guess would have been, St. Peter's. And then Dollar General across the way over here. We'll get a little bit of snack food for the night, and then we'll figure the rest out tomorrow. Still coming down through Great Barrington. I've zigged and zagged, but I was talking to a lady in one of the stores, and she said this is a beautiful little town. She said it's really expensive to live here, and I can very well imagine that. This is going to be a really pricey resupply because I think we're going to the creme de la creme of supermarkets that's in town here, but it's where we got to go. We can do some stuff at Dollar General, but we'll probably start there and then go to the other place. Here's another beautiful church picture I thought I'd show you. It's a really neat place. Well, I'm walking down the other side of the street today here in Great Barrington. We just went into Barrington Outdoors or Outfitters. Excellent service there. Gavin had a little bit of a problem with one of his boots the other day. Some stitching came loose and one of the eyelets is not working. And she said, well, hey, call down the street before. I was going to buy new boots and ship these back to REI. She said, well, before you buy new boots and have to worry about all that, walk down to the other place or call them because they're not open today, and see if they can do a real quick repair on it. And that being the case, if we can get this done, that will save us almost $225 or $50. Wow, it's really noisy here. Sorry about that. But another picture of the church here. This is the Congregational Church, and we don't have those back home. But as we continue northward, this architecture and the beauty of all these buildings is just phenomenal to me. So we're still here in Great Barrington, zeroing today. We're going to hit the Dollar General on the way back and get a little bit of food for the next few days. I think I've got a route planned for getting us back to another resupply in 2 or 3 days, assuming we can make the miles. Today it's really nice. It's not hot at all. We could probably walk forever today. And we're just kind of planning our next few days. We've got a friend, Sir Stop Slot, whom you met from down towards Laughing Heart Hostel. He came out and visited us. He's going to be in the area soon, so we'll see him soon, and just kind of taking in the town today. So I showed you this building yesterday. This is the Mason Library, and it is absolutely a beautiful old building. I don't even know, I don't see a cornerstone. Yes, I do. It says 1912, which
13.
Well, that one over there says 19. Where do you see 13? I was looking at the
thing. It says 1913.
Oh, okay, 1913. Yeah. Oh, because that's when it was open, but the cornerstone was laid in 1912. Gorgeous. It's not as old as I thought, but still beautiful. And then we got the church over here. And I've forgotten whether this is the Catholic church or not. I don't think it is, but oh, good. I think that was a police officer that we just passed. Maybe a meter maid. Look at this. Beautiful building right here. I'm getting ready to walk out into traffic, and I don't want to do that. But all right, moving forward. Yes, this is the Catholic church. I'm going to back up a little bit and shoot up the front of this because this is phenomenal. We don't have stuff like this back home. Just the history of these buildings. Oh, there's a cornerstone over there, 1904. That the cornerstone was laid for this building. Still not as old and historic as I thought they might be, but beautiful nonetheless. Yeah, I don't know whether this is going to increase my bear count on the trail or not, but we're passing an antique store, and there is Ursus Americanus flatus. So, yes. All right, so we just came out of the Eagle Shoe and Boot Company. Awesome place. The lady's not open today, but the person that runs the outfitters up here said, well, call her, she might be there. They live upstairs. And so the issue was, let me see one of those. This little, oh, that was too close.
Oh, that's this one.
Well, it doesn't matter, I'm just showing. This little loop right here, the stitching came out that makes that loop. And she was able to pull it all back through, stitch it down, triple stitched, and charged us $10, and did it on a day that she's not even supposed to be working. So thank you very, very much. We're gonna cross the street back over here and pop in the Dollar General real fast and do a little bit of resupply. And then we're gonna go back up the road and get some lunch. So we'll talk to you as we go back up the street. Well, it's not quite the end of day 142, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video so that I can edit and upload and get all that taken care of. And that'll give me several videos banked up for the week or two to come, because I don't know really, when or where we're gonna be in town next. We've got a plan moving forward. We've got resupply for 3 days, but I think we're gonna be, probably only need 2 days worth of food, and we'll be in Cheshire, Cheshire, Massachusetts, and we'll be meeting up with some friends somewhere in that vicinity. So even if not, we'll be staying in that town in a camping area there in town. There's a Dollar General there, so we can get more food as we need to going forward. So the rain has started this afternoon. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. They were calling for some showers. Tomorrow I think is going to be nice. The following day, maybe not so nice, but we'll make the best of it. And we'll be headed for a shelter that night. So if we need to get in out of the wet and the dry, or out of the rain, we can. So anyway, it's been a great day here in town. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the sights from around Great Barrington, Massachusetts. It's been a lovely place. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the woods tomorrow morning.